it was a major key to my development and helped me get that position. So I definitely recommend CyberWarrior Academy. My CyberWarrior Academy training prepared me for my job at Partners Healthcare, from giving me insight of what the industry is looking for and what things that they're doing currently. One of the best things that I liked about the program was that we had people from the industry that would come in each week and tell us about what they do and the jobs that they do and their daily task and what they're looking for. One of the main things were at the time, me and the rest of my colleagues were trying to figure out, like, how do we, get our foot in the industry, and some people think it's about search, some people think about this, but they gave us like pretty much it's a combination of both, but it's not reliant on either one, as long as you focus on what area you're trying to get into, as well as know what you're doing, and obviously connect with the right people and things of that nature. You'll find yourself in the industry easily, because the industry is pretty much it's wide open right now. So there's tons of jobs, and they're just looking for people who are passionate about it and can also do the job and stick through it. The CyberWarrior Academy definitely helped me with landing that job, because it started off as an internship, and from there it just my work there progressed. Like I said before, with having those people that CyberWarrior brought in, as far as talking about what's currently going on in the industry, give us kind of like the business side of things as well, and then the actual teachings, the search that we was preparing ourselves for, that gave us the technical. So somewhere like Partners, a big enterprise, they definitely have both, where they have a lot of business but it's classified as information security, but they're not too technical, but then they really have a lot of technical things too. So CyberWarrior Academy definitely gives the best of both sides. They sell themselves on that and they deliver on that. Career growth opportunities within cybersecurity are plentiful. Like I said before, with the program that it teaches you about the business and technical side, which cybersecurity is very broad. You can go either way. You can do a little bit of both. There's plenty of jobs within, if you want to go on the business side, as far as risk assessment. If you want to get technical, there's scripting, there's cloud computing, there's software that you can just be an expert at. So there's plenty of growth, whether you want to go up to management or you can move laterally where you're at right now. There's just so many pockets. I'm learning that every day. It's just, once you find yourself comfortable within a certain area, there's definitely a place to grow and get there within a couple of years.